Right then guys, so what have I done? Yeah, I did get the paint out. It was just too rusty. I had to tidy it up. I wasn't sure what to do with it really. I could see that the columns of the transmission were, it looked like a brown, but I would imagine that was a dark red, and it had just gone brown over the years. It was a sort of a light brown. So I imagine that was a dark, like a maroon or a dark red. They maintained their colour at the top with a gold, and I had some gold paint. And the base was green. And this is about the nearest I could get on the green. I had a couple of greens, but this is about the nearest I could get. So yeah, so I've given it a coat of paint. I don't normally do that, but this one was so bad I thought it warranted it. I've put some satin black. The only bit I didn't paint was the firebox. So now I'm going to give it another go. See if she'll run. Let's chip that up. Don't like to put too much in there, because I put too much in the other day. When I tipped it forward, to get it in that little slot, you have to tip it forward. And when you tip it forward, just make sure it's got hot. When you tip it forward, some of the spirit comes out. That's gone out. I think I need to pull that up a bit, pull the wick up a bit. Yeah, see what I mean? It comes out. I might have to put a little bit more in there. It should be enough. I'm going to pause that. I'm going to fill that up. Right, that's done. Yeah, it was, there weren't enough spirit in there to get it running. So I've topped it up. We'll give it a minute. It's got compression, this little thing. It's surprising really how old that is. So yeah, I've got to give it a coat of varnish on the base. Cleaned up the chrome, polished the brass a little bit. Yeah, left the firebox, just left that original. But I've done the chimney with a fire retardant satin, which is exactly the same paint I'm doing the Mini with. Yeah, struggling with Mini at the moment because there's a couple of screws right under there. Nightmare to get in, and I can't get them started. They won't start, so I might have to take all this off again. I think the gasket is a little bit proud, so yeah, that's where I am with a Mini at the moment. But yeah, so this has been a good runner. It takes a minute to get its I would say, you know, get it to be regular. So yeah, so the temperature's not up yet. I tried this. I tried it the other day when I first got it. After I'd run it a few times, when I'd done the first run on video, but after I've run it a few times, I noticed that it'll run, then it'll stop, then it'll run and it'll stop. But if you let the temperature build up, it'll run and it'll just keep on running. I mean, I was outside earlier and I could hear it was running in the background. This is one of my best running Stirling engines in the terms of how much time it will run for. Well, it's a lovely little thing. This isn't an expert restoration. This was a one-day restoration really. Soak it overnight, give it a little bit of clean. There's not too. This is the thing with the little ones. There's not much to do. You know, you got that to polish. That's your chrome done. That there and the little cylinder. Them two little things in green. All the other bits, so I took them all off and painted them in that maroon. And of course, while that's all off the base, sand it down, quick coat, Yeah. That runs really good. That runs really good. I let it run 15 minutes earlier and just carried on running. It actually did start getting fast. After a while it started getting fast. More detail now. These little brackets, they're fake. They're not. There's no screws there. It's made to look like screws. But this was genuine. These were gold originally, so I've just painted it with some more gold. So it slows down. Then it'll build up a little more heat, and it'll carry on going again. Runs very well. Yeah, look, that's what it done earlier. Speed it up. Very nice, reliable little machine. And it look nice on the shelf now. But you know what I'm like, I'll run them all as like a part of maintenance really. I don't want them sitting there doing nothing. So it slows down again. Then it'll speed up again in a minute. Anyway guys, I'm going to leave it there. That'll be my last one on this one. Unless it's a maintenance run, because I'm finished with it. Might be able to find a flywheel, but it's a very nice running little machine this. Anyway guys, I'll leave it there. If you want to see more of this sort of thing, do a like and subscribe. There's loads more coming. And I'll see you again soon.